Here's WowKit Creative Widgets app. So how to use it. So you just open up the app and then you see it. Yeah, there are multiple widgets which you can install. Which you can see here. There are some trending widgets, there are photo widgets, panel, countdown, tools, all types of widgets. And then also there are themes which you can install, and then there are wallpapers. So yeah, all in one app where you can just explore different options. And then there are also some tools. There's like a charging animation, live wallpaper maker, flip clock, weather, QR code generator, all of the tools you can try. And then to install the widget, you just tap on here, and then you can just tap save button. You can also share the widget with your friends in the top right. And then you just go and you see the apps jiggling, and then you can just add like that, and then select the widget which you want to install. And then tap and hold, and then just tap edit widget, and then just select the widget from here. And then you should be able to add it like that. So that's basically the idea.